Welcome back to another episode of Not So Nerdy. It's Valentine's week, guys.
Yay!
Also, hostel में Valentine's week is a different vibe
It's
altogether.
Galentine's for us.
Yes. Back when I used to celebrate it, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं था. If you either have somebody you love तो Valentine's, वरना मत करो ये.
Varna exam.
Vana exam. Oh yes, this was prelims week for somebody who's in 10th. I'm
Also
very
the
sorry
boards
for
for
that.
the
Board exam for CBSE ones also, yeah.
So for everybody who's in their important year, sorry, but apart from that, it's Galentine's week and Valentine's week. First of all, I want the new people to explain to me what is Valentine's week. ये क्या चक्कर है?
New people?
मतलब मेरे टाइम पे नहीं था.
अच्छा, oh, it was not Valentine's week for you all.
Yeah.
नहीं, for us it's क्या ऐसे days होते हैं?
हाँ.
like you get
कुछ-
chocolates,
हाँ.
teddies and what kisses,
Hugs. Slap day भी होता है.
Yeah.
उसके बाद का मजा आता है.
used to
जो
say that
Valentine's
slap days and
हाँ,
you know
हमारे
what-
स्कूल में भी ये ज्यादा फेमस था कि slap day
That
because
you-
boys
you-
बहुत जो single boys होते थे स्कूल में वो बहुत furious हो जाते थे
गुस्सा
और फिर
करने के लिए वो
Yeah, we used to have a lot of fun after the Valentine's day is over. The slap day, kick day.
because slap day जिनको नहीं मिली
Kick day, you kick the person.
Kick was my favorite.
yeah it was
But ऐसा हुआ है मतलब कि तुम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हुए देखा है या करते हैं अभी भी? अभी मैं सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे देखती हूँ.
हाँ सेम हमारे स्कूल में भी फर्स्ट ऑफ स्कूल्स में अलाउड ही नहीं होता था
हाँ.
We used to
Thank
get
God
punished.
for it.
yeah we used to get punished
But still, a lot of my friends used to give roses and these things for their.
भाई रोजेस का तो बड़ा बिजनेस है.
बाप रे.
That's the aim of
इसीलिए
Valentine's week.
बहुत लोगों को
I
रोजेस
guess.
पसंद नहीं है
Cards
And
बेचे
that's the
जाते
reason
हैं.
RGs चल रहा है अभी तक इंडिया में.
Oh yes.
वरना RGs बंद हो जाता.
But I like this because I'm also not a rose person. Are you all a rose person? What flower is your love language?
I like lilies more.
yeah same
भाई और कुछ कॉस्टली नहीं मिला तेरे को?
so I like
gift में
tulips
से?
to make
I'm
it
a tulip
better
person.
I am a tulip person
Great. Find more flowers that you don't get
I
in
love
Maharashtra.
sunflowers.
Thank you again, but ठीक है.
And
but you get tulips
It vibes
it's
with my
very
energy.
you get very rarely and extremely expensive
Yeah.
flower but
Thank you.
So that's us.
And what about you?
Honestly,
Cauliflower?
ले सकते हैं. कम से कम उस बहाने कुछ हेल्दी पेट में जाए. बट नहीं, मेरे में आई थिंक आई वुड गो ओजी प्राजक्ता और यू हैव साफा द ओजी अपने
Yeah,
land
but those
के
are
कुछ
the,
flowers.
actually you know so you keep just they are there and the every पूरे room का कोना कोना you just hang जाता है.
Exactly. There's fragrance there. एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात करनी थी मुझे ऑनेस्टली कि ये सब तो ठीक है, ये सब हो रहा है वैलेंटाइंस वगैरह, बट you know how you just suddenly realize that there is a lot more to celebrate love in love, right? And मेरा सा I was thinking about this when I was thinking कि okay इसके बारे में बात करते हैं तुम लोगों से, तो मेरे साथ सोच रही थी कि where do you stand, like if you talk about just love, where do you stand?
Actually, my first best friend is my mom. I share everything with her. Like सारी बातें like लोगों को लगता है ये मम्मी के साथ शेयर नहीं हो सकता, but I share literally every little thing of my day. Like every 5 minutes I would be like, पता है आज क्या हुआ? I can do that, but I can't. So she is my first best friend, and she understands me really well. So yeah, that's what best friend is.
yeah
So sweet. I get it, right?
her Valentine's is her mom then
Yes.
Oh.
And I would love to go on dates with her.
cute
जाना चाहिए.
जाना चाहिए. Mother and daughter dates are very important, I think.
Have you been on one?
No, I've never been
That's
on
the
one.
saddest
I think
part.
this is our sign take
This
your
is
mom
our sign,
on
yes.
Yes. I mean, वो भी हो जाता है ना, but like what would you really talk to your mother on a date? मेरी माँ थोड़ी
anything
I can just gossip with her.
Yeah.
About
We love
घर
gossiping
के
with each
problems and extended family gossips. Best date ever. Best date idea ever.
I don't think that accounts for any other different day. मतलब घर पे वही हो रहा होगा ना.
But मजा आता है ना मम्मी के साथ ऐसे chilling.
chilling,
also, you know,
chilling but outside your home
Yeah, I think that's a good break for your mother.
yeah
I think and that way it's very beautiful.
It
thing.
brings out her young self more. She starts talking about her, how was I, like कैसी थी, how she used to have
that-
fun.
see you could talk about that
Yes.
her life
Yeah.
That's very
Which
interesting.
no one really talks about.
Yes, that's a sign. I
That's
think all of us, all of y'all, you should take people out.
And even my mother had an habit of जब भी कहीं बाहर जाती थी ना, she knows कि जब भी वो घर के अंदर घुसेंगी the first thing I ask is मेरे लिए क्या लाए. एंड स्टिल शी एंड अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि अभी मैं सिंस अभी घर से दूर हूँ तो वो कहीं जाती हैं. अभी रिसेंटली कुछ लगा दिल्ली में ट्रेड फेयर एंड एवरीथिंग तो वो गई एंड शी न्यू कि फर्स्ट थिंग मैं वही पूछूंगी कॉल पर कि मेरे लिए क्या लाए एंड वो लेकर आई थी. ऑल्दो अभी मैं घर पर बहुत टाइम बाद जाने वाली हूँ बट इट वाज वेरी स्वीट. सो या आई अग्री विद द आइडिया ऑफ लव. इट इज
नाइस. मेरे और मेरी मम्मी का बॉन्ड थोड़ा सा मस्ती वाला है बिकॉज आई एम दैट चाइल्ड. तो अभी मेरे मम्मी ने दिवाली के लिए मेरे भाई के लिए चकली बनाई थी तो मेरा उसके ऊपर से बहुत हुआ कि मेरे लिए तो नहीं बनाई, तो मेरे लिए स्पेशली बनवाई जो मैंने खाई नहीं क्योंकि मेरे लिए नहीं बनाई थी. बट आई थिंक दैट इज माई लव लैंग्वेज.
या
Of rejecting love.
नो. हाँ.
सो व्हाट्स योर आइडिया ऑफ लव?
Honestly, it's been changing for some time, but मेरे को ऐसा जानने why I was starting about this conversation is वो अभी नया आया है, you know, like from some years people have started celebrating female friendships. I feel like I am in it. Like ये जितने साल चल रहा है चलने दो. ये करो, make Valentine's better than Valentine's or whatever, or make Valentine's for female friendships also, honestly speaking.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think for me it's just celebrating the action, right? क्योंकि if I love you, then I am doing it every day, and I'm probably doing it in a very actionable way. मतलब जैसे वो बोल रही है कि मैं बताऊंगी नहीं पर मैं कर रही हूँ. I don't think I'm there yet, but like I really understand that in female friendships a lot, right? I've had a best friend for almost 25 years now and she's doing great and we rarely talk now, but you know, for years her love language to me and my love language to her has been just this silent support, which I find is very interesting, right? कि and एक वो भी हो रहा है आजकल कि मैं सोच रही हूँ लव के साथ बहुत बार कमिटमेंट जुड़ जाता है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि ये कब से होने लगा.
अभी विद एज तो नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं तो कितनी ही हूँ, बट इवेंचुअली इन लाइफ लाइक स्कूल में ऐसा होता था कि इफ यू आर सेइंग कि ओ दिस पर्सन इज योर गुड फ्रेंड यू नीड टू टॉक टू देम एवरी सिंगल डे. बट नाउ दैट आई एम हियर आई रेयरली टॉक टू माई फ्रेंड्स बट दे आर स्टिल देयर. एंड यू नो, बोथ ऑफ यू ऑल नो कि द अदर पर्सन इज स्टिल देयर फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक दैट इज नाइस टू हैव.
दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. लाइक मेरी जो फ्रेंड है वी हैव कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. लाइक 10th तक वी वर लाइक ये फ्रेंड्स हम रोज मिलेंगे. We were so happy that we'll go in college, but no, that's not like that. Science, commerce, it was totally different. And now we are
eternal divide.
different cities, but still, whenever I call her, it doesn't feel like बहुत time हुआ क्या बोल के. We continue where we ended, so it's never hi hello with her. It's just हाँ बोल.
That's a beautiful moment, right?
Same, yeah. Mine is in a different country only right now. We were divided by subjects. I took science and she's arts actually, and now she's in Canada. She's doing completely, but we don't talk a lot. Similar, yeah. हमारी रोज बात नहीं होती, but जब भी कभी बात होती है, then it's right where we left it off. So
I think that's what real friendships are.
Yes, and it is so underrated. Like long distance friendship के struggle बात करने चाहिए.
True.
And जब normalize करने की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो I think एक चीज और normalize कर सकते हैं. अब खुद को कौन प्यार करेगा यार? There is self love.
Yes. True. But I think it's spoken about a lot. तो I think specific बात करते हैं. मुझे आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि self love अपने लिए क्या है ये डिफाइन करना बहुत जरूरी है.
सोचना पड़ेगा फिर.
That's really tough. Like हम दूसरों को अगर कोई है तो उसके लिए आई थिंक अबाउट hundreds of ideas कि मैं इसके लिए ये करूँ वो करूँ. जैसे कि मेरा आई वुड लव टू कुक फॉर समवन हु आई लव, बट अगर ये मैंने खुद के बोला यार आज क्यों करना है, कुछ तो ऐसे ही खा लेती हूँ. लाइक दिस इज नॉट सेल्फ लव. अगर
और ये क्यों होता होगा ना इसे? Why do we not take care of ourselves a little bit more?
Yeah, and कभी अपने लिए टाइम निकालना always seems like such a big issue always. कभी अपने लिए टाइम निकाल के कि ये मुझे करना है.
I can't believe ये हमें हॉस्टल में भी लग रहा है.
exactly.
It's one thing to feel it when your whole life is set और ऐसा कुछ तुम कर रहे हो, but यहाँ पे भी हमें लग रहा है.
And I don't know, maybe हमें वैलिडेशन की इतनी आदत हो गई है बाहर से, खुद को हम वैलिडेट नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Okay, could be.
For me self love is कि अगर मैंने कुछ सोचा है कि मुझे ये करना है तो मैं वो करूँ irrespective of who is in the plan or not. I think that prioritizing my own things.
So it's not ordering things from Nykaa? Oh, I didn't know.
Not
also
Blinkit
Zomato.
there's my girl.
ठीक है खा रही हूँ मैं, great, okay, but yeah. So that can be anything, right? Like,
Yeah, anything.
Yeah,
Whatever I feel like I want to do. I feel like मैं थोड़े दिन करती हूँ और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अकेले क्यों करना है. Why? If somebody else is also there with me, तो maybe I'll continue this. या फिर मैं बोर हो जाऊंगी.
Yeah, and
मतलब
that's-
not even bore, but like उतना enthusiasm नहीं होता और उतना motivation नहीं होता है वो. Eventually it just fades off कि हाँ ठीक है. But I feel for me this year's what do you call?
resolution.
Not resolution but yeah I am planning to keep that thing कि अगर मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ कि ये मुझे मेरे लिए करना है तो I do it irrespective of even if I'm alone or no.
and that is such an interesting thought because very aptly मेरे को ये realize होता है कि ये जो बात करिए कि enthusiasm नहीं लगता is also coming from I think from the fact कि बहुत time तक हमें ऐसा लगा कि love is always supposed to be shared. You know कि तुमको ये आइडिया ही नहीं आई थी कि okay it doesn't have to be with another person. Like कोई भी हो, even if it's your mom or your best friends or your friends who are in close circle with you, but to celebrate love I think it's so crucial to understand कि it can just be you. And मैं तो ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि it's actually उल्टा. मतलब if you read philosophy or you read books in general, when you understand loving, or there's a very interesting book called Art of Loving by Eric Fromm. I think सबको वो book पढ़नी चाहिए. तो उसमें उसने ऐसा actually लिखा है कि if you know how to love yourself really well, that is only going to compound whether you love properly outside.
I think that also comes with security na then. You are so secure in yourself that you have so much love to give to others.
Right.
How do you get secure in love then? Like क्या कर सकते हो?
Something to think about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everyone should think.
Yeah, drop down comments.
Comments. Yes.
सिक्योरिटी इन लव बट आई थिंक मुझे तो इन जनरल सिक्योरिटी बहुत कम चीज़ों से आती है. मतलब अभी भी जस्ट व्हाट शी सेड लाइक अ जोमेटो ऑर्डर फॉर मी इज इट. अगर मुझे तब का तब खाना है और मैं खुद को ये कन्विंस कर रही हूँ जो आई थिंक हम में से सब लोग कन्विंस कर देते हैं एट वन पॉइंट
Ah, yes, me
कि
too sometimes.
ये अच्छा है, ये कर सकते हैं. आई डू इट क्वाइट ऑफन आई नो बट फॉर मी दैट्स इट कि ये मैं कर रही हूँ तो इट्स सेल्फ लव कि आई ऑर्डर्ड समथिंग फॉर मी.
Nice.
I would watch series without regretting क्या काम है मुझे.
Yeah.
Sit and chill.
पर मी सेल्फ लव का आइडिया अब तक नहीं था इस साल तक. आई एम ट्राइंग नाउ कि अब ये चीज थोड़ा इंक्लूड करते हैं एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेक इन विद माई सेल्फ कि हाउ एम आई फीलिंग, एम आई ओके, रादर देन आई यूज टू गो टू पीपल एंड आस्क कि भाई तुम ठीक हो, टू माई फ्रेंड्स जनरली. बट देन इस साल मैंने सोचा कि भाई खुद से भी तो पूछूं कि मैं ठीक हूँ. I think my idea of self-love is that.
And should start doing this.
Yeah, I think self-love for me is also that I should be okay sitting alone on my own.
Yeah, very
Without
crucial.
doing anything. अभी मेरे दिमाग में ये आ रहा था कि I should paint, I should do something. But मुझे कि why can't I sit alone with myself?
Yeah, something that I also not cracked yet.
I think that's an interesting exercise to do. You can really sit alone because अभी तो I think दूसरे मिनट में फोन हाथ में आ जाता है.
So just you and your thoughts. Are you? I think that's where security will come in.
Yeah, nobody's thoughts are that fun.
Yeah,
They are never
and then whatever you're thinking, I think most of our thoughts are also self-sabotage most of the time.
Most of the time.
If you start sitting alone, I feel starting में तो 90% of your thoughts would be.
It would take time. It's like yoga or exercise. Consistency
Yeah.
चाहिए.
And then still sitting with it and figuring it all out will maybe secure you.
I feel like that's a good celebration of Valentine's this time for me at least. ये आइडिया मेरे को अभी आ रहा है कि इस बार मैं अकेले बैठ के I'm going to try to sit by my with my thoughts. Let's see how long I could last.
Without getting a phone in your hand.
Without that's what.
Without
Just
getting
you and your
anything.
thoughts.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Maybe you can just get your journal or a book.
And so interesting कि इतना सब कुछ हमने सोचा है and like this was not taught to us anytime, you know. So crucial and nobody really sits down with you like, have you tried sitting with yourself?
Yeah.
Or have you just tried loving yourself?
Yeah.
Just start there. Nobody taught you, I think.
Like ये topic होगा trending and overrated,
Yeah.
but the action is really underrated. सब बोल सकते हैं उसके बारे में, but करना is like करो.
And not
नहीं
very
होता
fancy. And the process is not fancy.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's why it has no glamour.
Because the step one of self love starts with self doubting कि क्या कर रहा है खुद तो फिर खुद के लिए करना है.
तो वही है ना, वही doubts you clear it out for yourself.
Yeah, I think that's a great exercise. बार ये करता है. Let's just sit alone, And then if it gets uncomfortable, we can always reach out to each other. But
Of course. You can always come back in your room and sit with your homies.
and chill and talk. Yes, of course. And मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब तो इसकी जड़ तो मेरे हिसाब से for my childhood has been Bollywood. I'm sorry, I'm a huge fan. But ये जो not being able to sit, because you know you look at people always कि ओ अगर उसने मुझे अभी नहीं बताया कि वो मुझसे प्यार करता है तो there is no प्यार. I think it took me years to come to the fact कि ओ प्यार ये नहीं है. शाहरुख चल के नहीं आने वाला है.
भाई कोई मूड नहीं रहा है तो वो प्यार नहीं है. वहां तक आ चुके थे हम.
Still do that.
Yeah, it's just sad. But that's very interesting क्योंकि अभी नहीं बनते वो मूवी.
No, that's true. I missed that time.
Yeah, नहीं बनते.
It was a peak Bollywood romance thingy.
What's
era,
your
no?
favorite Bollywood romance? Come on, let's hash this out. We can do Hollywood also. My God, वो इतनी दूर गए. It's okay, you all can't say Animal or Kabir Singh. That's not romance.
No, I don't like those movies either. But
Let's start with the OG.
It has to be Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. Come on.
Oh my God.
Why?
इतना मत कर. Okay, I get it. Oh, nice. Because I mean, it's been 40 years and
So what?
Okay, fine. You are right. Palat is the thing. I'm sorry, I judged you pretty soon. I'm a huge fan. There's no judgment here. I have watched it in Maratha.
Maratha. I always wanted to.
Yeah, you come. दिल्ली के लोग सिर्फ एक चीज के लिए बॉम्बे आते हैं, मराठा मंदिर.
शाहरुख खान
और शाहरुख के बंगले. Yes.
That I have seen actually.
It's getting a do-over. But yeah, I think all but you know, for me, underrated Shahrukh romances like Veer Zara.
Yeah.
Or even Mehuna for that matter.
Mehuna.
Like,
Oh,
it
I
has
was
nothing to do with love and everything to do with it.
It has, if you see, it has all kinds of. It has love for your brother, love for your father, love for someone you are barely just protecting. Yeah. I have Jab We Met always. I go back to Jab We Met.
I have watched Jab We Met and I love
I have
it. और
watched
ऐसा लगता है कि ये
Jab We
मेरे साथ भी
Met.
होना चाहिए यार.
Last 2 साल पहले for the first time
अभी
and
अभी
I
no judgment. I'm
and
trying
I
to be very
like,
hard. No judgment. Please don't.
ये क्या
Wait,
है?
she's going to say she didn't like it.
Yeah.
Oops.
You don't like
I love Jab We
Shahid
Met.
in
I like Shahid, but I did not enjoy the movie
Okay,
as much
this
as
is very
people
interesting.
do.
Tell me why. Just tell me 2 reasons.
Because वो बहुत unrealistic लगा मुझे, मतलब ऐसे बहुत ही olden था and she's like अभी बहुत hate मिलेगा but
no, I'm pretty sure like भी हो सकता है. Like,
It's
there's
a
no
love
other
episode, guys. Don't hate.
yeah. But मुझे ऐसे बहुत ही overacting भी लगी.
Okay, that's okay. I think तब की acting थोड़ी लाउडी थी.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying कि
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पसंद आई because I watched it way.
Yes, ये
मतलब
सब minimal कुछ
हाँ,
करते नहीं थे हम तब Bollywood
वही.
में. That was not allowed. But like, what would be your ideal romantic love story then? Like if you've ever watched. English भी चलेगा.
I think one that I can think of is The Notebook. That's a good.
Wow. It's so funny you don't like Jab We Met yet you go to the most classic ever.
I know.
It's a dichotomy in itself, but I lies. Good answer. Notebook is I've bawled my eyes out.
और
Yeah,
भी
same.
सारे मूवी में से थोड़े थोड़े पार्ट्स निकाल के मुझे मेरे लाइफ में चाहिए. स्पेसिफिक नहीं कि वो ऐसे चाहिए. फॉर लाइक किसी मूवी को देख के लाइक ऐसा चाहिए उसमें कुछ तो आ जाता है नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए. तो फिर ऐसा लगता है
I think वो कबीर सिंह में जो मारता है वो नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ but the love is wow that's beautiful.
कबीर सिंह का कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. Okay.
That's the first part नहीं चाहिए.
बट मतलब पॉइंट ये था कि मेरा कि यू डोंट लाइक उसकी वजह से थोड़ा हमारा ऐसा हुआ. आई थिंक मेरा ऐसे हुआ वाइल ग्रोइंग अप फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम कि ये सब बाद में सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स का कल्चर आया एंड यू बिगिन टू रीड इट एंड यू बिगिन टू अंडरस्टैंड. स्पेशली आई फील लाइक एक टाइम आ जाता है मोस्ट अडल्ट्स के लाइफ में वेयर यू सडनली आर लेफ्ट अलोन, राइट? कि तुम किसी के साथ हो, यू आर लव्ड बाय पीपल, यू आर लव्ड बाय फैमिली एंड येट देयर आर सम बैटल्स यू गो थ्रू अलोन and those are very tough days to go through. I think उस time पे you realize okay, nobody taught me to just ask my side, right?
I think it's more also about the way people perceive love. Like what's their language for the love. Don't you think?
Yes, of course. I think, but honestly, मेरे को तो love language as a concept ही बहुत बाद में पता चला. It's a new term fairly, right? Yeah.
So basically how you show love and how the other one perceives it as love or not. Like for example, sending reels to someone back to back is a love language for some people. It is. It might not be for the other person. He might feel कि भाई क्या bombard करी जा रहा है रील पे रील. But it's a love language for some
Oh, I
people.
have an interesting question.
Yeah.
Should you love somebody else according to your love language or according to their love language?
Oh, that's a
That's
good question.
really tough.
Maybe a mix of both.
लाइक दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए इतना तो कर ही
Yeah.
सकते हैं.
Uh,
लाइक नॉट एकदम फोर्स बट आई गेस वो हो जाता है. यू नो इफ यू
Yeah.
रियली लव समवन यार इसके लिए इतना तो कर ही लूंगा.
आई ऑल्सो थिंक कि अगर मैंने ऐसे सोचा लाइक मेरा इंस्टेंट आंसर ऐसा था कि ऑफकोर्स बाय द लव लैंग्वेज दे हैव क्योंकि मैं उससे प्यार कर रही हूँ राइट बट देन आई एम थिंकिंग कि विल आई बी रियली एबल टू सेपरेट माई लव
yeah,
लैंग्वेज
but then that's the way you love. So how will you not love them?
yeah but I think maybe like a ratio of it like she said mix but keeping more attention to his love language like if I know reels is a bombard तो मैं नहीं भेजूंगी even if it's my love language and his is not
Maybe you just send 2 instead of 10.
yeah could be yeah
And if you see, हम लोग के पापा लोग are the best people to understand love language. They never tell you they love you. They always give you something. They buy you something. They send you money. They are the perfect people if you want to understand love language.
कि मुझे
I
ये
think
खाना
I
है.
am like them.
पापा रियल आईडी से आओ
Yeah, I will never show it.
Nice, but how would you do this? What was the answer to your own question? I think.
I would love them according to my own love language.
Okay.
Yeah, but मतलब, if you want to love in that way, but then don't you think it's a journey also? I feel like it's a beautiful journey to understand कि सामने वाले की क्या love language है.
Yeah, but then I feel starting में I would love them according to my own love language and then understand what the other person is. I think not just ये मतलब relationship. I think anywhere.
What's your but what is your love language?
My love language is
Showing love.
not showing love. That is my love language.
ये कैसे not showing love क्या मतलब not showing love?
Because
You
I
have to
know
give
she
a better
loves me
answer.
like as a bestie. Yeah, like she's my bestie.
I think my love language is being there for you on your difficult days more than being there for you on your happy days.
Oh wow, that's quite deep.
That's very sister coded, no?
Yeah. Also very permanent coded, right? Like I would hands down want somebody in my life who's on my bad days.
Yeah.
Maybe not good days. मेरे को तो लग रहा है एक पहले ब्रीदर लेते हैं इस बात के लिए कि ओहो ऐसी दोस्त मिल गई है हमें मेरा सॉल्व हुआ है shout out to this kind of love yeah nice मतलब मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं है नाउ दैट यू आस्किंग मी मैं ऐसा कुछ कोशिश कर रही हूँ बट आई थिंक माई लव लैंग्वेज इज डेफिनेटली राइटिंग आई लव टू राइट लेटर्स आई लव टू पर्सनलाइज स्टफ I think also my love language is a lot of observation. I think that's me. I like to मेरा बहुत ध्यान होता है उस इंसान पे. Maybe it's the ADHD brain, but मैं बहुत ज़्यादा multiple चीज़ों से isolate करके उस इंसान पे ध्यान दे सकती हूँ. Yeah, but just being able to support somebody and मेरे बहुत ही ऐसे simple to dos है मतलब खाना खिलाना और you just try to maybe like what she said but in opposite way right like if there's some days where I absolutely distaste watching a movie but if I love the person and that person wants to watch a movie I'll be like okay चलते हैं देखते हैं मुझे नींद भी आ रही है तो भी it's like ठीक ही है that's multiple things right maybe that's my love language I like growth मेरे को ना ऐसे स्टैग्नेंसी पसंद नहीं आती लोगों में आई एम यूजुअली द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन क्योंकि तुम्हें थोड़ा तकलीफ भी हो बट आई एंश्योर कि तुम्हें मेरी वजह से कुछ नया सीखने मिले कुछ नया पढ़ने मिले कुछ नया करने मिले खुद के लिए दैट्स माई लव
And we
लैंग्वेज
love it.
थैंक यू
My love language is more of keeping that person in thought when you do something. जैसे कि अगर मैं कहीं बाहर गई और अगर मैं कहीं किसी और के साथ गई and I see something that you will like, so I will always call you up कि अरे खाएगी क्या मैं लेके आती हूँ तेरे लिए.
I think she saw flowers one day and then she came back and she told me कि I was going to get flowers.
Yeah, so that is how I like to show कि हाँ मेरे को पता है कि अभी इस बंदे को ये पसंद होता है तो 70% of times I bring it myself, but sometimes मुझे लगता है पूछ लेते हैं कि कब पता खाने पीने का मन ना हो. That is one thing. Then again I have that thing कि if तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं then I come to you because you need help and I know that.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is there, and just checking in with the person, because sometimes I do understand कि कुछ हुआ and एक vibe change हुई किसी की. Then I get it कि हाँ इसका कुछ हुआ यहाँ गड़बड़. Then I try to check in with that person separately कि you know I saw कि something changed. So are you okay? You know, just in case you need to talk. So
Nice. Okay.
you have people.
Just being
Yeah,
there.
you can.
Also realized me and Sneha are very vocal love language.
Yeah, I'm very vocal that way. Yes. If I love you, I love you. खत्म बात. फिर वहाँ फिर लड़ाई झगड़ा, everything you say it. मुंह पे आकर बोलो. I don't swipe anything under the rug. आओ sort
I
करो.
guess that's really important.
Yeah, I think we've been growing
बातें
up too
दिल में
much.
रखना
Yeah,
is
it is just toxic होता है. फिर वो.
हाँ और फिर our overthinking keeps
Exactly,
it
because I
making it more
overthink a
worse.
lot. तो इसलिए मुझे नहीं
I
अच्छा
think
लगता.
for me having a friend like this helps.
Yeah.
Because then even if I am not able to speak it out, the other person will
Yeah.
come and talk it out.
Nice. Okay. Nivi, go for it.
So my love language is, yeah, as I said, making food, cooking good food. Obviously, if the person loves a
And she
good
cooks
chai
so
coffee, chai coffee is every day. अगर
Coffee
कोई बोला
is her
serious.
thing, I feel.
Yes. थोड़ी मैं भी पी लूँ.
मैंने वो अपने लिए बनाती है साइड में, but तेरे लिए बना रही हूँ.
Also, another is I love to make people laugh with my silly jokes. I know they are silly, but you guys also laugh.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
I have ever laughed.
You have
Because
to.
you don't have a sense of humor.
Yeah,
You
very
need to
big
have that
thanks.
sense of humor too.
Sometimes, but I know, but sometimes she just cracks me up like nothing. Like आज शाम को हम लोग कुछ बैठे थे, कुछ randomly she said, and we were cracking up the whole time. But
So
yeah.
I guess can lift up their mood.
Yes, yes, that's true. I think we all attest to that.
Yeah.
And that's such an interesting thing because that's what love's supposed to be, right? कि तुम्हें तुम अपना अपना कुछ लेके आते हो उस इंसान के लिए just to ensure that your presence is felt, your warmth is felt. That's very cool, I think. ये करना चाहिए. Nice. Alright, but then coming back to Valentine's week, so I think मुझे बहुत interesting ये लगा अभी कि when we were talking about all of this, it was so human coded, right? Like so people coded.
Yeah, also because अभी कैसा है ना कि we are more of people who look for मतलब efforts as in being there for you. कि मतलब जब कुछ काम है तब कोई तुम्हारे लिए है या नहीं. And less of gifts and Instagram posts and stories. And इतना fancy कर दिया हर चीज को कि हाँ भाई ये नहीं किया तो बात मत कर.
I think अभी वही mental and emotionally present होना for other people has become a very important thing in today's world. In the like era of Instagram and everything being there out in the world on your Instagram and your socials, I think उसमें still having people around you who are there off camera,
Yeah.
I feel
That's really important.
And I think हमको hostel में के बारे में ज़्यादा पता चला.
Yeah,
Because you know that
true.
I was just thinking about this today कि इतना टाइम होता है दिन भर में. I don't think मैंने इतना ज़्यादा personal space किसी के साथ इतना continuously share किया है.
None of
जितना
us.
मैंने-
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm almost sure कि हम लोग क्या hardly दिन में एक बार फोटो खींचते एक दूसरे के साथ. But like if you really go back and think about कि even in the last 10 days हमने इतना सारा कुछ साथ बिताया है, right? And it's nothing to do this. So I think that's something that we are going to be talking to you all about today. Is that just spend time with your loved ones, celebrate love the OG way.
Yes.
The way when you just connect to each other, disconnect from your phones. Of course, connect on your phones if you're talking to your loved ones far away from you. That's what the phone calls are for.
घर वालों को कॉल करो, मम्मी मिस करती है.
Yes, go out on dates with your family, with your best friends. Make this about everybody's love, everybody's celebration of love. Tell us in the comments if you have celebrated something really special this time. We would love to hear your story.
We would love to hear if you went out on a date with yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's most
Bye bye.
Bye.